Welcome to Science by PK. Today I have a really interesting theory. What if the entire universe is just a simulation, not a metaphor, not a sci-fi movie? What if everything, stars, planets, galaxies, and even you, is running on someone else's computer? Sounds insane, right? But hold on, some scientists, including serious physicists and philosophers, think this might actually be possible. Let's break it down. Imagine a super advanced civilization, one that's billions of years ahead of us. Their technology would not be like ours. It wouldn't just be futuristic, it would be godlike. And if we can already stimulate weather, cities, and even basic versions of reality in video games, imagine what they could do. They might have the power to stimulate entire universes with physics, life, intelligent beings who don't even know they're stimulated. Now here's the kicker. According to some theories, if such civilizations can exist, and if they'd ever run these simulations, then statistically there might be billions of stimulated universes for every real one. In other words, the odds that were the original reality might be tiny. So what would that mean? It wouldn't change gravity, stars, or the speed of light. Everything would still feel normal because we're part of the program. Just like characters in the video games don't know they're made of code, we wouldn't know either. Even our physics, the constants and forces we observe might just be a part of the setting. Tweak a few values and maybe the laws of nature would look completely different. Now here's where it gets even stranger. Some physicists have tried to look for evidence. They've searched for digital glitches like pixels in space or irrigations and the cosmic background radiation, patterns that might suggest we're living inside something constructed. So far, no hard proof or no disproof either. And what about quantum physics, where particles seem to decide how we behave only when observed? Some have suggested that's exactly how stimulation would save power. The only renders when somebody's looking at it. Yeah, think about that the next time you're alone. So if we're in a simulation, can we escape it? Probably not, but we might learn the rules well enough to understand who or what built it. Here's the big question. Does it matter if the universe feels real, works real, and we live real lives? Does it matter what's behind the screen? Some say yes, it changes everything. Others say no. Reality is what we experience, no matter where it comes from. But one thing is for sure. If we're in a simulation, someone, somewhere, hit start, and we've all been playing ever since. Thanks for watching Science by PK. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.